Welcome. If you want to use AdBlock on your Oppo A72, I highly recommend you to get the Opera Mini browser, and in a few moments I'm going to show you why. But for the first, let's open the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Opera Mini. Let's get this browser. Okay, right now it's finished, so we can open this application. Click continue 2 times and tap on the Opera Mini icon in this right corner, and be sure that ad blocking is turned on. And right now we can enter, I think maybe this website, and we don't want to switch to the reader mode, so don't tap on it. And as you can see right here, we got the notifications that the first ads were blocked, and it's thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. So as you can see, you don't have to connect any external application, and I think that's really cool, right? You have only your browser that got the built-in the AdBlock. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!